Good morning, guys. Whew. Right now, I'm about to upload the video that went up yesterday. And it's already 11 o'clock. I'm 3 hours late because I was up late last night having fun. And I also wanted to talk about my hair. So yesterday, I didn't have any more of my Joico Intensive Hydrator. So I used my Shea Moisture High Porosity Hair Mask. And it definitely doesn't make my hair feel the same. My hair feels a little drier today. But what's weird is, I remember when I used to use this Shea Moisture Mask, my hair would last longer before getting oily. So the other one is more hydrating, but because of that, my hair feels more like weighted and heavy quicker. But yep, this is how my hair turned out. Nothing major. Today is Sunday. I don't have many plans today besides go see my friend and her baby, give him his Christmas gifts, and go to the grocery store and get groceries for Christmas. The fact that Christmas is in 2 days is like mind-boggling to me. But it's so nice having all the family here and everyone's just having a great time. So I'm speaking lowly because my grandparents are sleeping and my cousin's in the basement. And I don't want to prematurely wake anybody up. But yeah, it's been a nice time. I did have my me time yesterday when I did my hair. And at the end of the night when I was editing the vlog. As much as I've enjoyed vlogging, it's gonna be so nice to have my nights back. Like my dad already knows at a certain time every night I sneak away for like an hour and a half to edit. And I enjoy doing this because I think we're having such a good time during Vlogmas, but it would be nice not to feel pressured to do this every night. And if I were actually going out with friends and enjoying myself, this would be like not possible. But I didn't go to any parties this year, so I didn't have to worry about that. But I'm going to put this video up, drink some tea, take my vitamins, get my day started, and you guys will follow me with whatever happens. Not much going on today, just prepping for Christmas. And yeah, Chloe's walking around, figuring out where everybody is. Chloe Grace. Miss Grace. She has toys all over the floor. This girl's a mess, but I'll catch up with you guys in a few. Chloe, why aren't you listening? Do I need to get you a new pair of ears for Christmas? Because you don't listen to mommy. You do what you want. You can't do that, muffin. So you guys, yesterday when I was on Instagram, one of my friends posted this meal. I'm not gonna put her name on here because she's not like very open to all this social media stuff, but she went to this restaurant in Atlanta, and as soon as I saw the name is Panko Chicken, I got excited. This shows my age because when I was a kid there was a restaurant in Stone Mountain that we would go to on the weekends, and I want to say the guy who opened it was my former dance instructor. I think his name was Mr. Abe. I want to say that was his restaurant. And they had the best panko breaded chicken tenders, which panko breadcrumbs, it's like a Japanese breadcrumb, and it was so good. It has this really good soy sauce blend, which is almost like ponzu sauce but a little sweeter. And I got so excited when I saw her post because I remember going back to Stone Mountain maybe a decade ago and the restaurant wasn't there. Was it a decade ago? Probably. And seeing that they reopened and the guy that now is the GM was like a kid back then, like I remember their family. This is so weird. But the restaurant is called Panko Chicken and it's actually off Chambly Tucker Road. So your girl's gonna have to go. When I saw that post, I got all nostalgic because y'all, I used to love this chicken. It was in Stone Mountain off Highway 78, I think, and it was so good, and we would always go there on the weekends. I can't wait until my mom wakes up so I can show her. And it's so cool because this family is Japanese and black, just like my family. And so we had like, it was so cool. I loved it. I loved the place, and now I can't wait to go back. So I will definitely be visiting soon because that chicken is bomb. So if you guys live in the Atlanta area and you want some bomb Asian chicken, but like Western inspired or influenced, Pongo chicken, y'all. It's bomb, I promise. It was bomb when I was a kid, and I'm sure it's still bomb now. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, real moment. How many of you guys have a little sign like this for your dishwasher? Just so that people will know the dishes are clean, because the only indicator is this tiny little light. Hello, Miss Grace. So yeah, we always keep a little sticky note here. I always say that one day I'm just gonna buy one of the little suction cup things that spins, and you can like turn it to whether it's clean or dirty. But then I'm like, what if some people don't look at it? I don't know. So the grandparents, y'all know I took down my Keurig. I just don't want any incidents. Sorry. So they made a cup of coffee this morning, or a pot rather. I think oh, it's still kind of warm. I'm going to have some coffee and add my Irish cream. You guys, I'm gonna leave the video down below of yesterday where I included my recipe. My recipe is a little different. I add a little more chocolate and a little more liquor. But 'tis the season to be festive. So I'm gonna use my favorite Christmas mug, and I'm gonna put some Irish cream in my coffee. So the ways you can basically use it, you can put it over ice, in a glass, in coffee, over ice cream. You can take it as a shot. You really can do anything you want. And this is also a great gift idea, like if you want to just make a huge batch of this. By the way, that made about, I don't know, I would say this is about 20 ounces or so. I don't know. But you can give these as gifts. This would be a really nice gift for like, if you're going to like a holiday party and you want to bring something for all your girlfriends. Just put these in like really nice mason jars and put really pretty like red ribbon around them, and that would be awesome. Ooh, y'all, I'm telling you, this Irish cream though. I mean, normally I would not be drinking at 11:40, but it's Christmas, so I just feel like 'tis the season. It's cold, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go watch some TV and hang out with my family. So, bye for real this time. I'm sorry you can't have any muffin. You're not old enough. Maybe on your 7th birthday. Actually, you are 21 in dog years. Nah, you're already high. Having leftovers. Guess what? She needs that. And I'm watching the Married to Medicine reunion. Hello. So my grandparents and my cousin have gone to see family. And we have to go to the grocery store soon. So I'm getting my little luncheon. And since we didn't have enough for dinner tonight, I'm just gonna eat this for lunch. It's kind of impossible to make enough food for 6 people and have leftovers. It's hard making food for a big family. Yes, why? So we are out and about. Great, I can put you guys there. It looks so huge. What was I gonna say? We're out getting last minute things. We're gonna go to the grocery store and get our Christmas meal. We're making jambalaya on Christmas, so we have to go get the ingredients for that. My mom has to do stocking stuffer shopping. She was like, do you mind if you know what you're getting in your stocking? Yes, ma'am, I do mind. The stocking is one of the most important parts of Christmas. I wish I was in my car and I had my Kiehl's lotion. You guys, I promise you, does my dad have lotion? If you get dry hands and you don't have, or you've never tried the Kiehl's creme de corps lotion, it's everything. You will love it, I promise. It's so good. I feel like I'm so ashy right now without it. But yeah, we're just gonna do some last minute holiday shopping, food shopping. That's about it. We're having jambalaya on Christmas. They're making the extended version of jambalaya. When I was in college, I used to make jambalaya, but it was with like jambalaya in the box, like the Zatarain's jambalaya. So they're gonna make like real jambalaya. So we'll see how that goes. I am gonna go see my friend later. I think I told you guys all this. I don't know. I'm tired. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. I want to hear. Oh, I love this song. This old lady is vaping coming out the store. This is my Jolly Rancher from that time I went to Applebee's. This is ABH Kristen. Looking like I said, do fraud. It's a Z shit. It's a Z shit. Healthy meals. Yeah. You like it? Mm-hmm. You want to taste the salad? No thanks, I'm full. Okay. Don't worry, I'm not getting you. We're here getting jeans and stocking stuffers. Trying to find some jeans for mom, and she needs petite, curvy, regular. I think I like jeans. Okay. My mom and I have opposite problems shopping. She's short and petite. I'm regular height and thickums. Well, thick. I'm not just thick. Trying to find some nice jeans for her. Two regular trousers. This is a brand from Target that I love. This skirt looks really nice quality. Really thick knit. Love it. I hate the way leather jackets look on me. Well, this is like 2 sizes too big. Just makes me look so top heavy. But I feel like I need one. I need this shoe. But of course they don't have it in my size. Big feet, big body, Chronicles. Target has some really cute shoes though, y'all. Cute shoes, cute clothes. I love this store. It's a happy place. I don't really want to walk around because I'm going to be too tempted to buy things. Maybe I'll go look at books. But I'll see you guys when we get home. We're going to go to the grocery store and then go home and relax. Back home. You put mushrooms on all the pizza? Mm-hmm. You put mushrooms on all the pizza? Oh, I forgot to have mushrooms on it. That's okay, I'm hungry, I don't care. Our annual Morehouse and Spelman Glee Club recital. Concert. My dad was in the Glee Club at Morehouse. Hey, Muffin. You should have took us. Well, we only went every year as a child. Then we had to watch it the years we didn't go. Don't make it seem like we don't like being cultured. Yeah, I believe in traditions. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't know what else we're gonna do today but relax. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know it wasn't too interesting. Sorry about that. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve though. That is crazy. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow will be a bit more interesting. I just can't believe it's almost Christmas. But I hope you guys still enjoyed today, even though it wasn't too interesting. We didn't do a lot of things as a family because half of the family was away and the other half we were like running errands and stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next to last day of Vlogmas. Bye.